famous area. Yes. Hi everyone. Hi. I just went for a job interview for an advertisement for a yeah. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it because there's a lot of people there.
Name, surname?
Darren Birch.
Sorry? Name, start, name, surname.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to say my name, my height, weight and everything, and had to do a little bit of a dance. And wow, look at that. I'll just show you what I'm looking at. Take a look at this. This is amazing. Very old buildings. Keep going on the road. Wow, there's a lot of people here. A lot of people up there. Church. Catholic church.
Catholic, yes.
Yeah. Very touristy. Very touristy place. Wet hamburgers.
Wet hamburgers.
Yeah.
Delicious.
We have to do a video of that. Oh, that food smells nice. Wow, there's a lot of people here. A lot of people.
Famous square.
Famous square.
Taksim.
Atatürk Culture Centre, they're going to make a new one. So they're pulling this one down. Look, there's even a crane up there. Good driving, Oscar.
Thank you.
You're a very good driver.
Thank you so much.
Hey, look, we got Chinatown. Ni hao. Ni hao ma. Wow, look at those old buildings. I'm trying to hold the camera steady. Sorry about all the shaking. It's not me doing the shaking, it's the car. Oh, he's blocked it. That was funny. Dog was going chish. Hey, just follow those cars. Right?
Yeah, I will.
Down and then around. So you can't go out that way.
Yes,
Yeah,
straight on.
Yeah, straight on.
Right.
Yeah, and then right.
Yes.
Just follow that guy.
Yes, you know this place.
Yeah. Every time they block a road, we have to go round, and sometimes we can get lost because we'll hit a one-way street or anything like that. So the best thing you can do is just follow the other person in front of you, because they're probably more likely to be a local, and they'll probably be able to lead the way out. Yes. Or But that's not always the case. Oh, that's the football stadium. Oh, I know where we are. Actually, this was a shortcut.
Beşiktaş.
Yeah, Beşiktaş. This is quicker.
Vodafone Arena.
Yeah.
Beşiktaş.
Mashallah. Mashallah. And thank you very much for watching our video. And if you like what you see, please subscribe us. Only if you want to. We would really appreciate it if you actually did subscribe to us, because we would love to have you. Yes. Because we're going to keep on making wonderful... Oh, what the...
Not green.
Went for... Hey, police! That guy there went for a red light. Shame on you. I got his number plate.
Yes, traffic.
Traffic police. If you're watching this, give him a ticket.
Red light.
Yeah. Wow, what a beautiful day. Sometimes when you put your indicator on to turn left or right, or sa, traffic, they ignore you and they just keep driving. They don't let you in. So I find a good way of doing this. If you want to turn, stick your arm out, and they always see the arm, and they always let you in when they see the arm. But just be careful, because sometimes some idiots may not see your arm and might take your arm off. So, but no, the arm works. But only use your arm if you're going slow, of course, moving or merging into some traffic. Don't do it on a busy motorway like a highway or a freeway. No, you won't need to, because you're going fast, right? But only when you're going slow. Like now, for example, if you want to go in the other lane, if we indicate, you can put your arm out. Beautiful, beautiful gazelle, haben Bock and Chuk gazelle. I love springtime too. How do you say spring in Turkish?
İlkbahar.
İlkbahar.
Bahar.
Bahar.
Or
İlkbahar.
İlkbahar.
İlkbahar.
Or bahar.
Bahar.
Evet.
Bahar. Wow.